Hey guys, today I am going to solve the past paper of LAT 2022 General Knowledge section. So let's start. The first MCQs. The Battle of Yamama was fought in the era of Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu anhu. C option is correct. The next MCQs. The office of the United Nations General Assembly in New York. B option is correct. The next MCQs. Albert Einstein related with the field of physics. A option is correct. The next MCQs. Quaid Azam established a fund with the name of Refugee Fund for the Rehabilitation. So C option is correct. The next MCQs. Valley of Sakesar, a beautiful valley located in which district of Pakistan? Khushab. C option is correct. The next MCQs. The Lahore Resolution was moved on 23 March 1940 by A.K. Fazlul Haq. A option is correct. The next MCQs. Pakistan is not a member of which international organizations? NATO. A option is correct. The next MCQs. How many times Pakistan won the Hockey World Cup? 4 times. The next MCQs. International Cricket Council ICC headquarters is located in Dubai. The next is who presented in Lahore Resolution, Pakistan Resolution on 23rd March 1940. A.K. Fazlul Haq. B option is correct. The next MCQs. Largest earth filled dam of Pakistan is Tarbila Dam. The next MCQs. Rehman Baba is the poet of which language? This is the poet of Pashto. A option is correct. The next MCQs. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. The next MCQs. Who introduced two nations theory in the subcontinent? The correct option is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. B option is correct. The next MCQs. The capital of country Australia is Canberra. B option is correct. The next MCQs. Who was the leader of kufar in Ghazwa Uhad? Abu Sufyan. C option is correct. The next MCQs. Total members of UN Security Council are 15. D option is correct. The next MCQs. Total number of seats in National Assembly of Pakistan are even 336. A option is correct. The next MCQs. The second largest continent by area of the world is, the correct option is given here. C option is correct. Africa. The next is Dash was the first Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan. Justice Abdul Rashid was the first Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan. So A option is correct. The next MCQs. Walk around Safa and Marwa is called the Sa'i. B option is correct. The next MCQs. What does Shirk mean? Making partners. D option is correct. The next MCQs. What language does the word Namaz belong to? The correct option is given here. Persian. D option is correct. Thanks for watching this video. Also share this lecture with your classmates and friends so that they also have a benefit of it, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and you can also visit the playlist of this channel to learn more and more. Goodbye.